Friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the Jensen Impact gaming test in the Realme 7 5G device, which is also called as a Realme Q2 as well. So, which has a Dimensity 800U processor. So, let's see, friends, how well the phone will actually perform with this kind of high-end gaming test in the mid-range mobile phone. So, this is the first time I'm trying to do in the Dimensity 800U processor, and previously I did the same kind of gaming test in the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, which is present in the Realme X7 Pro as well, as you can see here. So it did perform very good, and the 60 FPS got pretty much close to 60 FPS throughout the gameplay in the Realme X7 Pro device. So let's see how well this Dimensity 800U can actually perform. So before that, let me quickly show you the about phone settings, exactly Dimensity 800U, to make you clarify that the phone I'm using is the Dimensity 800U processor only, not any other phone, as you can see here. So which is also called as the Realme Q2 as well. So now let me try to launch the Genshin Impact game, and before that, one more thing, let me try to quickly show you the size of the game. So every time before starting the test, I'll try to show you the size. As you can see, it's close to 8.5 GB of size, which is so huge for this kind of mid-range segment mobile phone. I am really concerned whether the game actually supports or not with the 60 FPS. So let's see, friends, how well the phone will handle this kind of gaming. And in case if you want to know more details about this Realme 7 5G device, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme 7 5G Dimensity 800U processor, so which will be really interesting for you all to know more details about this Dimensity 800U processor. And even for this live wallpapers, you can find the links in the description. There'll be so many live wallpapers available, so make sure to check the links for more details. So let's get started, friends. And recently even I did the PUBG 60 FPS smooth and extreme settings test as well, so make sure to check that video in case if you want to know regarding the PUBG gameplay as well. And very soon I'll be getting the Redmi Note 9 Pro of 5G as well, which has the Snapdragon 750G processor. So I think maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll be getting hands on with that mobile phone. So make sure to subscribe and follow me. So try to watch every day my channel. I'll be uploading so many videos, more than 5 videos each and every day, because of the 2 new phones which got in my studio right now. So I need to do so many videos within the next 1 month. So many videos will be coming close to I think I'll be uploading more than 150 to 200 videos in next upcoming month. So right now, friends, I am trying to use only the normal lowest settings possible to just to test the how well the graphics it's handling when I am trying to move around. So just to see the clarity in terms of the graphics. So overall, it's playing okay, good, but it's not that smooth if you're trying to play in this kind of 30 FPS. So let me even put the volume as well in. So later I'll be trying to use the high settings as well. So even using high settings, I'll try to test the performance. As you can see, it's maintaining 30 FPS with the lowest settings. So this with the lowest settings, friends. So it's maintaining very good frame rates, so no issues. So now let me try to quickly change the settings to a little bit high settings, the graphics. So I'll be keeping at 30 FPS only, first thing, and let me try to increase everything to high. So everything I have increased to high settings, as you can see right now, extreme. As you can see, friends, everything is set to high except the frame rates. I did keep only at the 30 FPS only. So later I'll try to select the 60 FPS as well. But I just want to see with the maximum use of this kind of settings, will it be, is there any lag or not? I just want to test. So slightly I can notice. So even with the highest settings of everything, the FPS is still maintaining at 30 FPS only, as you can clearly see here, friends. Even you can observe the CPU and GPU utilization, how much it is. So during this time, you can see, friends, the graphics is also looks pretty good. So no issues with the graphics. So now let me try to quickly change the FPS to 60 FPS, and then I'll try to see at 60 FPS what happens using with this kind of high settings, everything. So everything is set to high. Just I'm changing to the 60 FPS only. As you can see, everything is high. Let me quickly go back and start playing with 60 FPS. I can feel slightly smooth right now in terms of the animations, little bit, but not much. I think even at the 60 FPS of highest setting, still it's showing only 31 FPS, as you can see here. So maybe if I'm using the high everything, the FPS doesn't increase much. 31 FPS, 33, so slightly above 30 only, but it's not getting more than that. So now let me try to quickly decrease the graphics. So now you started to see the increase in the FPS count. As you can see, 46 FPS you are getting. So this with the everything decrease it to low resolution and lowest graphics and everything, and with using the 60 FPS. So if you want to achieve this kind of higher FPS count, then you need to decrease a lot of things, graphics and so many things. So then only it's possible to get this kind of high level of FPS. So I'll try to do even the battery draining test as well, playing this Genshin Impact if you want me to do. So I am ready to do that battery draining test. But in my battery draining test, only few games are in my list. For example, PUBG game, and recently I did include the Free Fire game as well. And if you want, I can include this game, or maybe if you're having any other games in your mind, maybe I'll try to include even those games as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video for more interesting this kind of games. I'll try to do so many other gaming reviews as well in the future. So in case if you're having any other game in your mind, make sure to comment below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.